punching. No, where they're like, stanky leg? Soul toy? That's dead up me trying to do that. I don't even know what you're talking about. The thing where they go like this.
Now watch me whip. Okay. Now watch me nay. Okay.
Isn't that this? Now watch me whip. Oh my god, it is that! Welcome to a week in my life. So today's Monday. I wanted to start this vlog in the morning, but it didn't work out because the camera literally got delivered like 4 hours ago. It is 6:35 and I've already gotten home from like a full day of doing my normal routine that I wanted to bring you guys along with. I want this vlog to be a week in my life and it's gonna be fun. I literally feel like you guys know nothing about my actual life and what I actually do in a day. So now you will. Yeah. Good morning. I woke up, showered, drinking coffee from yesterday, which is worrisome. But I am about to make breakfast. I think I'm gonna make hard-boiled eggs. I don't know what it is, but recently I've been really into hard-boiled eggs. I think because it's just so easy. I'm leaving early because I'm gonna get lunch with Roxette and Nick. So I was like rushing out of the door. Now I'm like actually rushing. That jingle jangle is keys. I made it to Ipsy. I'm still not used to vlogging in public.
Get out of the dark.
Okay, so we got lunch. I ate avocado toast. I'm so full. And then I had a meeting, and now Nick is gonna teach me how to hit the whoa.
Am I gonna do it?
Yeah, you have to teach me. Because obviously I don't do this one right.
You're in the dark, first of all.
Okay, well let's move the camera. Teach me how to hit the whoa.
Okay. Dude, I don't even know how to hit the whoa.
You just did it.
I don't even know how to hit the whoa. Okay. Left hand, thumb out. Left hand, boom. And then I think you like circle it. You like circle both hands. You draw like a figure 8. You go, whoa.
Whoa.
There you go.
Did I just hit the whoa?
You go, whoa. Circles.
Whoa.
Then now you hit the vape.
So I'm gonna film a video now that I just learned how to hit the whoa. I'm in the studio. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when I film my video. And then I sit here and I see me and I film, and that's it. That's how I film my videos. Okay, I'm gonna film. Bye. I just got home, fed Billy. He's actually eating. I think he's been like really hungry because he hasn't eaten all day. I'm gonna make myself dinner now because I'm starving, even though I had lunch literally, well, I mean, I had it 6 hours ago now. For dinner tonight, I'm definitely gonna roast some asparagus and put some tomatoes on it and Parmesan cheese. I love that so much. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. But honestly, I'm so tired right now. I think it's because it's really cloudy today. Whenever it's cloudy outside, I'm just like not having it. You can tell because it's like really blue. I'll show you. See how cloudy it is? That cloudiness makes me tired. So I want to make my dinner, watch Dr. Phil while I eat my dinner. You guys know it's a thing. And yeah, then I'm gonna chill out. Honestly, I don't know if there's gonna be much more vlog footage for today. Good morning, it's now Wednesday. I'm out of breath because I just ran up the steps. I was getting packages. I woke up, it's like 11 o'clock right now. I woke up with a really bad headache and I was like, whoa. So I took Advil and just relaxed for like an hour and then took a shower. I didn't wash my hair today. It's curly from the French braids I had in it yesterday. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I might straighten it. But anyways, I have packages to open I'm really excited about. I got men's boxers because, okay, there's a reason behind it. I need to take this off. I'm dying of heat. Watching an episode of Catfish, and Slick Woods was like the guest host for that episode, and she wore these army pants with an orange belt and men's boxers kind of sticking out, and I was like, that is so freaking cute. So I went on Amazon and I bought a belt that looked like it and some men's boxers. I honestly wanted like a really long orange belt, but whatever, it'll have to do. I cannot tell you how excited I am for this one. I got a pair of Levi's custom made or custom tailored for me. They are the wedge straight leg. And I basically, like, my issue with them is that the waist is too big, but then like the butt area fits perfectly. So like I can't go down a size because then the butt area is too small and the waist area fits. So at the Levi's store in Santa Monica, they have a like tailor there, and they can like just measure you and fit them. I really want to try on this outfit, both of them, the new jeans and the like green pants outfit that with the belt. But I really need to get ready too. Like I need to leave kind of soon to go to the studio, so I'm gonna like do all of that, get ready so that I'm not rushing out the door like I was yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna do all that and then I'll check back in after. Now I'm on my way to the studio and I am running really late. I'm supposed to be there in 6 minutes. That's not gonna happen. I made it to Ipsy. We did photos already and now we're gonna go do photos again. Look at all the cute little dogs. Hi cutie, hi cutie. We're going to take photos at the pier.
It's the palm trees.
Honestly, I just wanted sand on my toes.
Sand on the toes.
We made it to the pier. Ow. Oh my god, remember when we came here to shoot my trailer?
Yeah, that was the same day we came back from Vegas. Sonic and I had been up for like 20 hours.
Oh my god.
And then we shot like way past the time we were supposed to.
Yeah, we went overtime.
Wait, and that was like that really stupid elaborate shot where we like went around you.
Yeah, it was
And you had to shade it properly.
Oh yeah, and the shading had to like run around the camera and we would like hit each other. I had a lot of fun that day though.
That was fun. I had fun.
Nick is like, that was
Hey,
scarring.
you're up since 4 in the morning. You got it.
Everyone hates me for making them come to the beach. Look at what I did.
Damn it, Michaela. Damn it.
It's a nice day to go to the beach. Be happy.
Too hot.
Mission accomplished.
Well, I don't think you can put that thing back on. Can we get a fucking funnel cake because we're here?
Yeah, can we get a funnel cake? Yes, bitch. Yes. I'm about to eat that. Okay, we're back from the pier. Now I'm gonna go home. My feet swelled well, from walking far, and I had to put Converse on because I got changed back into this outfit and my feet hurt really bad, so I want to go home. And I'm starving, even though I just had funnel cake, but I'm still starving, so I'm gonna go home and eat. Oh my god. Okay, so last that you guys saw, I was at Ipsy and I was about to leave. I've been home for a while now. I got home and I was starving, so I made spaghetti and I ate it. And I feel like I did the spaghetti challenge again, which if you follow me on Instagram, you know spaghetti challenge was a challenge that I made up of challenging myself of how much spaghetti I can eat, which is a lot of spaghetti. I was like in a food coma and all of a sudden the fire alarm in the hallway started going off and I was like, I made the decision. I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna get dressed. I put on sweatpants and a jacket and got Billy and my camera, but I didn't record it, but Amy recorded it, so I'll show it to you in a second. As soon as I went into the staircase, there was like a bunch of people going down, like the entire apartment building coming down, and we were like, I was like,
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna go.
we went down and it wound up not being serious because the alarms went off right away. But I was like, damn, I would be left in this outfit. Sweatpants? Come on. And I didn't grab anything important. I'm not prepared. So anyways, that was the drama of the night. Now I'm gonna lay down because now my stomach hurts because I was already so full and then I had like a little bit of an adrenaline burst. So yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay, good night. Good morning! It's now Thursday. I'm really excited because I just got this box in the mail. Wantable. I signed up for Wantable. It's basically like they send you clothing. Basically, it's like you put in your preferences and you can do workout clothing or regular clothing. I get workout clothing because it's just so hard. I feel like I always want more workout clothing, but I never feel like buying it. I don't know, even though I'm buying it. But these people like curate a box for you, send it to you. Whatever you don't want, you send back, and then you only get charged for what you keep. Last time I got it, this is the second time I got it. Last time I got it, I didn't like anything. I kept like 2 things. I went back in and I told them like what it is that I like and what I don't like. When it comes to workout pants, I need them to be high-waisted or I won't wear them. Like I just won't. So anyways, I got this box. I'm really excited. Like I don't know what to do. Should I do like a try on? I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna try all of this stuff on anyway because I need to figure out, you have to send it back kind of fast. So I'm gonna need to figure out what to send back. This is the first thing I got. I'm gonna try everything on and I'll show you guys what it looks like, I guess. Here's the first outfit. It's like striped. I kind of feel like, I don't know, like I'm actually kind of vibing with it. I feel like I kind of like it. It fits really well. This one is from Glider. I think I need to change the angle of the camera because I feel like you can't see the full outfit. Okay, here's the second outfit. Honestly, I like this one a lot. I like this shirt. It's really, really comfortable. The pants are like super, super comfortable. Like I can't even tell you. Who is this by? This is by Strut This? I've never heard of them, but they're super comfortable. The shirt is amazing. I love it so much. I'm definitely keeping this outfit. I'm really, really, really happy with it. Okay, I'm wearing the same pants because that was the last pair of pants they sent me, but they also sent me this. I feel like it doesn't fit right. Like it's way too big to actually work out in. There's just too much extra space in it, so I'm definitely gonna send this one back. Okay, here's the next shirt that I got. Honestly, I don't know how I'm feeling about this one. It has like a drawstring at the bottom and then the back is completely mesh. I don't know how I feel about this one. I might be sending this one back. I feel like I just won't wear it. It's comfortable, but I just don't think I'll wear it. So I think I'm gonna send this one back. And the last thing that I got, I'm not even gonna try on because I just don't like it, but it is this sweatshirt right here that says "Hope is Dope." It's just not my style. It's just like a big pink thing with an open back. I just would never wear it, so I'm definitely gonna send this one back. But I like everything else. Honestly, this month they killed it. I'm really happy, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna edit a little bit. I'll check back in when I'm about to leave to get my hair done, and I'll show you where I go and everything like that. So yeah, and also I know a lot of you guys asked about the color formula that I use, so I'll have my hairstylist tell you that too. So yeah, okay, I'll see you soon. Okay, I'm on my way to get my hair done. I need it so bad. I need to get it cut. It's so weird. Ever since I got my hair short, I just never realized how fast my hair actually grew. So it's like such maintenance. And I'm wearing the new shirt and pants from Wantable, so I feel good. But anyway, this is like a 20-minute drive for me. I'm just gonna chill out, listen to some music, and enjoy my ride. So I'll see you when I get there. Oh my god, okay, I made it to the salon. I have the color in. I literally ordered food. I was walking here and it smelled so good. I was like, what is that smell? And so we ordered from this sandwich place, and I literally was like, I'm gonna take one bite. And then I ate the entire sandwich, and I ordered another sandwich for later, so we good, we good. Amy's doing my hair. Explain what my formula is, if you can.
4N with blue-green. I don't know if that makes sense to anybody. A light intense ash brown.
A light intense ash brown, perfect.
Easy.
Easy, a 4N with blue-green undertones. We're gonna wash this out soon, and I'll show you the finished product. Like you'll see it anyway, but okay, bye. Okay, hair is complete. I feel so much better. I cannot even tell you. My hair was so overgrown, I literally could not even handle it. So, and we went back in her book and it was literally only been a month since I was there last. I'm like, are you kidding me? I have to get my hair cut every month? I'm not used to this, let me tell you. Anyways, yeah, it turned out really good. I love it a lot. I have a lot of editing to do, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah. I just got home like an hour ago roughly, and I took Billy on a long walk, and I wish I brought my camera because he was so cute the entire time. He was just so happy. The weather's been pretty nasty, so I haven't been taking him on long walks, but he was just so happy. And honestly, like a lot of times he gets really tired on walks, but today he was down for it. I was loving it. Honestly, look how happy he is. Anyways, I kind of wish I could go back out. Like I kind of want to get sun, but I know I need to do work, so now is when I'm really gonna edit. And honestly, this will probably be the last footage of the day, so I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, it's now Friday. I haven't vlogged all day, and what is this growing on my face? It's now 4:17 and I literally have not done anything today. I think I'm just heavily PMSing, and I just really was having a hard time this morning. So anyway, I think right now the only thing that I want in my life is cookies, and I want to go to the grocery store and get them. And like I want to make them, but I don't want to buy all the ingredients to make them. So I think I'm gonna buy like the pre-made dough. I think I'm gonna do that. I think I need to cover this pimple, and then I'm gonna go do that. Okay, I just got back from the grocery store. I went a little overboard. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff I got. Honestly, I was just like letting my cravings take control. So in the first bag, I got salty snacks. So I have Lay's chips, some hot Cheetos, the best Cheez-Its ever made. I got some popsicles. I normally order my groceries on Amazon, but they haven't had these in so long and I love them so much, so. Okay, now time for the important thing. I got cookies. I got white chocolate chip macadamia nut. These are bomb. I got sea salt caramel and chocolate chunk. And I got chocolate chip. I think I got another one. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And I got, of course, the classic sugar cookie, because who doesn't love a good sugar cookie? I'm so happy I have all of this stuff. So yeah, that's what I got at the grocery store. Grocery haul. Honestly, I feel like a slug today. Do you ever have that feeling where you just feel like a slug? That's what I feel like. So anyway, I'm gonna put all these groceries away. Should I do like a time lapse like some people do? I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a time lapse.
Good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. And the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance. Nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh,
Alright you guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Honestly, I had so much fun doing this vlog all week. I felt like it was just something so different for me and I really enjoyed it. You have to let me know in the comments, what did you think? Give me some feedback. Anything constructive is always welcome. I had a lot of fun, like I said. I think I'm gonna continue doing more lifestyle videos like this and like, you know, just like fun, like fashion, lifestyle. What the heck is he doing? Obviously, I'm always going to be into makeup. Makeup is one of my true loves in life, so I'll always continue doing makeup videos and stuff like that, but I want to incorporate more stuff like this. Let me know how you feel about that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
don't worry about a thing, 'cause you